Hello everybody, good morning. You're most welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Mentors Academy. My name is Ajay Gublani, your mathematics mentor. Dear students, this is my first video of teaching mathematics for class 8th. So you all are advised to subscribe and press the bell icon for a notification. Dear students, today we will study about a very important topic, that is rational number. We have studied in your previous classes about the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Let us review them. Natural numbers. Now, what are natural numbers? All counting numbers are natural numbers. It is represented by n. It starts from 1 and so on. That is, the least natural number is 1, and they invite many natural numbers, whole numbers. The set of natural numbers along with 0. It starts from 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every natural number is a whole number, but all whole numbers are not natural, because 0 is a whole number which is not natural. Okay, what are integers? Integers are the collection of natural numbers, 0 and the negative of the natural numbers. It means it extends endlessly from both sides. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, so it means integers contain natural numbers also and the whole numbers also. Okay. So now what are rational numbers? Rational numbers. Actually, rational numbers are of the form P by Q. P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay, it is represented by Q. Actually, rational comes from the word ratio. And what does Q mean? Q comes from the word quotient. Okay. Now, what are the examples of the rational number? Examples like we can write 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. You can write 2001 upon 2002, etc. Many examples can be there. Now, standard form of rational number. Actually, the standard form of rational number is its lowest form, P by Q, in which P and Q have no common divisor other than 1, and Q is always positive. P and Q have no common divisor other than 1, and Q is always positive. If I write 4 by 10, this is the rational number, but it is not in the standard form. It is not in its lowest form. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 by 5 is the slowest form. Okay. Because in 2 and 5 only 1 is the common divisor. You can write 2 like 2 into 1, 5, like 5 into 1. Only 1 is the common divisor. So 2 by 5 is the standard form of the rational number. And if there is a minus sign in the denominator, then we have to change it to a plus. Now, if there is a negative sign in the denominator, we will first convert it into positive. We will multiply by minus 1 and minus 1 both in numerator and denominator. We will get minus 6. Minus 10 into minus 1 plus 10. Now, 6 and 10 both are divided by 2. Okay. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So answer is minus 3 or 5. Now this is the reduced form and the denominator is positive. So this is the standard form of rational number. Okay. Now how can we compare two rational numbers, which is greater and which is smaller? Comparison of two rational numbers. Okay, suppose we have to compare 1 by 3 and 2 by 9. Okay, so first we will take the LCM of denominators. Okay. So the LCM of denominators is 9. Now we will convert each rational number with LCM as denominator. Means ये 9 हमारा LCM है, हम दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स में डिनोमिनेटर को 9 बनाएंगे. जो हमारा एलसीएम आता है हम उसे वही कन्वर्ट करेंगे वैसे ही. मीन्स 1 by 3. नाउ you have to multiply 3 by 3 because you have to make the denominator 9. ओके, ये हमारा एलसीएम 9 आया था, इसलिए हमें दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स के दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स में 9 बनाने हैं जो हमारा एलसीएम आया. 3 1s are 3. Now next is 2 by 9. It is already 9. ये पहले से ही 9 है. So we will just multiply by 1 by 1. We will get 2 by 9. Okay. Now comparing 3 by 9 2 by 9. On comparing 3 by 9 and 2 by 9. The rational number with greater numerator is greater. That is 3 2 से बड़ा होता है आपका, 3 आपका 2 से ग्रेटर होता है तो आपका 3 by 9 ग्रेटर हुआ. It means 1 by 3 is greater than 2 by 9. Now if they are negative rational numbers, then how can we compare? Like we have minus 7 by 9 and minus 3 by 5. The LCM of 9 and 5 will be 45. that is the LCM of denominators 9 and 5 is 45. Okay, if you can't solve directly, then you can find out by long division method, which we have done in our earlier classes, that is 9 and 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 5, 1, 1. So LCM is 3, 3, 5. 3 into 3 into 5, 3 is a 9, 9 5 is a 45. Now we'll make each denominator as the given LCM minus n by 9. अब जो हमारा LCM आया 45, हमें दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स को 45 बनाना है. ओके, नाउ here you multiply by 5 and 5 both in numerator and denominator. 7 5 is 35 minus 35 by 45. Now minus 3 by 5. We will multiply by 9 and 9. 9 3 27. Okay, दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स 45 बन गए. ओके, जो हमारा एलसीएम आता है वही डिनोमिनेटर्स होने चाहिए दोनों के. तो यहाँ भी 45 आ गया, यहाँ भी 45. नाउ कंपेयर. ऑन कंपेयरिंग वी हैव minus 35 by 45 एंड minus 27 by 45 में कौन बड़ा है? ओके, व्हेन देयर इज नेगेटिव साइन द रूल्स रिवर्सेस. छोटा बड़ा हो जाता है, बड़ा छोटा होता है. इसका मतलब minus 27 by 45 ग्रेटर है. ओके, सो minus 35 by 45 कहाँ से आता है, किसी नंबर से? minus 7 by 9. ओके, और ये कहाँ से आया था? 27 by 45 minus 3 by 5. इट मीन्स minus 3 by 5 is greater than minus n by 9. Okay students, if you like my teaching then please subscribe and share my video also. Thank you very much.